I notice a bag of people come on my platform. One of those the year I look for me, one don't want to support me, one just want to come watch and disgrace and scream recording and rain. Let me tell you something. My family is more than that. And so no matter when I try to look down upon my family, you understand me, and downgrade my family, I don't respect that. You understand? And even to the point where I see, yeah, I see some things online and I ask a question. Right? I see some things online I go on, and to me it's shady as hell. Family. No, stop that. I'm going to keep as a family. Alright, so honestly, everybody I try to do them look of views, everybody I try to boost them look of style, everybody I try to instigate or what they want to call it, but I find for the things them disrespectful I go on. I'm not lie. I want Gemini person. You get me? You did and you talk and you style me. I made it and I just look upon you. I made give you the ample time to keep on and look upon it and make it. I don't want to hear about it. I just keep on say family, God, right? I keep on and go and look upon it, I 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 look upon it. You understand? Some things that said is very disrespectful. Yeah. And me no business when nobody wants to say because like nobody can tame in on the app. You can't tame in nobody on the app, yeah. I like you. Thank you, baby. And no matter nobody feel like me slow, me not slow. Me just give one rope and make you hang yourself with the rope. You understand? And I like a lot of things that I see is very disrespectful. And I don't like it. Not one bit. Yeah. If anybody have anything to say, you need to come up here. I want to say what I have to say. Rather about relationship, rather about advice, about any little thing. You can come and say what you have to say. You understand? Right? Me, I left the floor wide open. It's like when you come up here, don't curse any bad word. You don't have to disrespect anyone. You can voice your own opinion. You understand? Nobody can stop you from do that. Right? Remember, you know, are we giving us something out there to talk about? You understand? Right? Anything we put out there, we put it out there for you to talk about it. So you have a right to speak on it. That's how I look at it. Right? Who keep at them about Jaden and call me? Man, stop bother me. Okay? Jaden have the something there for send. You know for send request. Alright, so the first person I gonna come up, I want here. Me no lie them I tell them just chat too much. Alright, don't cloud the comments, please. So first person. Here the first person. Okay. Okay, so I have to fix it first. Hold on. So where you pick again? This. You pick editing. No, this. Hold on. I'm gonna go back in the 20. I like 25 and over. 25 and over. Alright, so we got that there, right? Alright. When me say 25 and over, that me say, so not 25 and more. What me this say now? When I skin have on the teeth. 25 and over. OVER. Hey, look here, nobody mean I son that, you know. 25 and more up, of course. Why me go put older? Me say over. Older, over. Nothing wrong with look here, Gaya yard, you know. Gaya yard. Don't come over me yard, come perform me, you know. That me I tell you, I son that, you know. That's why me no come over your yard, you know. Don't come over my woman where she stand up to a man and I make a man know straight, say, hey boy, you can't box me down and keep me down. You understand? That's the only thing me did want for her. You see, if the man, she knows me love her, like, me always try to push her out on the internet. Me try to send her go to training school, cause me no want she, like, stay like me. But me no know, like, she resent me. She resent me so freaking bad. Right? So I don't know how to do it. You can invite her to dinner. That's okay. You're going to invite her to dinner or make a nice little occasion. But the man now go on, she come. And because she says she love me today, tomorrow she started to pray me again. When you go do a breakthrough, you have to do it for true. Right? If you're gonna do a whole free breakthrough, you have to do it clean. Hope in your heart. Forgive me for true. You understand? Don't pretend for the crowd and said, I forgive you. Forgive me for real. Forgive yourself. Right? And that's it. But I can't force her for that. Pretty. Hello, good afternoon. Maybe mood I even love red dance. Maybe mood I even love red dance because the thing is this, you know. Say for instance, say the child is not for Daniel. And him take the child up on the mother. And him I love the mother and love the child. I would love him for that. But him you abuse her. You understand? Right? And that is the part where I cannot stand. Right? So, make we move on. All right, then the next lady here. Exactly.
Hi, Annie.
Hi.
What's up?
Good evening. What's up? Good evening. How are you?
Good. I was just telling you, you guys got your own thing going on. I know everybody got an opinion, but you're going to do what you want to do. I know, understand both sides, played a part in the disrespect, but you guys can really help each other out. You guys can come up together and get some goals, situated. So I just want y'all to keep doing what y'all want to do and doing what y'all can do best.
Yes.
And I told him this already this morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, baby. And thank you for the support too as well. I saw you.
No problem.
I got you, baby. Enough love, all right?
Yes, enough love.
All right, guys. And guys, grab her for me. When I don't see her, grab her. She support my life, It's love. It's just bare love. Guys, if I tell you the truth, before me take up another caller, because a lot of you guys love Anna. I love, me do love her. If there is a way, more try. I don't know the way. It's like you doing this puzzler. You try. And next now you just give up and said, okay, then you hate me. So what should I do? Right? And next and last straw is when you said you want to hurt me, you want to put me down, which as well, you supposed to bury me, but of a natural cause or something, but not taking my life, right? And it's heartbroken. heartbroken bad because yes, it is
I'll give you one look story me I give you.
Okay.
You see my second son father,
Yeah.
when me and him there, I'm there with my family them,
Yeah.
him convince me say my family them don't like me.
Yeah.
Him tell me be a thing about my family them, you know. I'ma follow him now because him in my head some family don't like me and so and so.
Yeah.
I follow him now and start argue with my family, my uncle, my sister, everybody, my mother.
Thank you. Yeah.
And you see when done like say couple like it going by a couple months after,
Yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah.
the boy breed me, gone left me a foreign.
Yeah.
Up till today day my baby at 13. Him reach 13 now. And him know in the look boy life, none at all.
Yeah.
So me I said that for say I be a Anna. You see, after a time,
Yeah. We're
him
keep
not
the
gonna
party
be fair, you know.
this month.
After a time, him not going to be there for him. Only I convince her if one of her family them eat off, she can't go, nobody for go to. But you see,
I
two of my
realize
families
that.
them, two of my
Yeah.
family them is not the type of person where if he carry eartries, then if he give me back and take me back, I feel so shame and guilty.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
feel so shame and guilty because what? I follow him and I say, alright, my family don't like me, mother don't like me, so I follow him and I fight against my family. Them same thing like Anna go through. He might
Yeah.
manipulate her, but she don't
I
see
know.
because
I
her
know.
eyes so open.
Because you
Her
remember
eyes so
when
open.
the other baby mother come out and talk about he did try to do the same thing with her as well.
Yeah.
You understand? Because if he was a good man, he'd allow Anna to come and visit her family. We can go out together. We can do stuff together. We can even come at the yard and visit as a grandmother. And you know me I say, you sit down and make your mother come visit your baby for even half day or whatever. But when him do, him cut her off totally from her family and turn her mind. You get me? But I'm
Yeah.
saying on the other hand, right? What I'm saying, I understand you're saying that this person I try to do all of this to you, but remember at the end of the day too, I just feel like said she could have fight more for herself.
Anna, Annie, remember say she young. Me did young to like she. Me been there. I'm gonna
Yeah.
run for comment Anna need a video them and talk the story. Say Anna go through me been there. But when I see I open,
Yeah.
she gonna know say yeah her mother and her family they love her. But if somebody will decide her, he might manipulate her so she can get to talk to her mother. Me been so Anna go through now me been there. But I go open just give her time. Just give her time, I have faith. I go open.
So
But Annie,
one question before you go down. How would you show her love? In this situation, how would you show her love?
all right now, but that's all I'll say. You just give her some time. Give her time. Just ease back, relax, and give her time.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
But Annie, big up yourself. I love you.
Thank
You
you,
can't do no
baby.
wrong in my eye. But
Love.
yeah, I just want to watch you. Big up yourself.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, just don't do too with okay, love from a distance. Somebody said with TikTok police. All right, so we're gonna pick up another person. I think I'm gonna take up this lady. All right, ladies. Before we started to talk, I do like the question them wanna ask, and I like how now keep it clean. I like how now voice on own opinion.
Good evening, Annie.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. All right. Continue, guys. Hi. Hello.
Good evening, Annie. Good evening.
Good
All right,
evening.
here me I talk to you as a mother to a mother.
Mm-hmm.
Me have a big daughter, she a 32-year-old. And the
Yeah.
whole we did young and we fall in a love and blind to love and fool to love. But the difference now with me and you, maybe you did have a mother stand up by your side, me never have none. But here me I say no. Anna, where I go on, she not go and serve her own. You understand? So in a this life, you have to You have to give her a chance. You have to give her a chance. You know you love her. I know that you love your children them. Come always I watch you. This I make it second time I go speak to you.
Yeah.
And I am saying to you, just continue to love them, no matter what the circumstances may be. Continue to love them because she a go come around. She young now, you know. She young, she pretty young, nice girl. She a go come around. But you see
Yeah.
the one them now when I fall in that they trap they like Mika and another one. Sit them down like you're them a best of the best friend. And said to them, so look here, you see the trap that your sister fall into, I don't want you fall into it. You see the mistake that I make as a mother, I don't want you to go through that. You understand? But anybody can draw me in the mud and baga with me because me are the mother. But you see, like where a young generation are come up nice and bossy and pretty as a pretty girl. Cause you good looking, you know, and the children them take the good looking is off of you. You understand?
Yeah.
So just take Mika and the other girl and your son for your take them for your bestie. Take them for your bestie and reason with them. Talk with them, show them the rope of life, show them what is what, show them this is that, show them. Because I have a 19-year-old girl, soon 20, and I sit down and I said to her, this is so and so, this is so and so. You
Alright.
understand? So I reason with them. And you are go frightened if you see Anna. See Anna come back round. Come right back around. Mark this word today. She go come around and she go say, Mommy, me sorry if you owe me that operate. I know she operate. So are the little demons, you know the little demons that him have in her life, what she have in her life are the demons. I make the young lady behave so. You understand? But to God be the glory, great things he has done. She have to come back around. And me want to tell you this because I go jump off. See the young man the way I talk to? The young man the way I talk to name TikTok police. Me sister you love the young man there. But here me I tell you. Do what please you. If you want go mingle, fubble, double with him, you're free. Because look here, enough of them young folks don't understand why the younger men they go for the older woman. Because we know how we fix up ourselves and train up ourselves. Me not talk about we titivate up with this and that. We know how to prepare meal, we know how to do this, we know how to do that. So you see, once you want TikTok police and TikTok police want you done with him, no make nobody tell you about Annie, you are this and you are that. Annie, your past not defile who you are. Your past are your past and your present are your present. So look here, you see if you take 100 man, nobody count the 100, count TikTok police alone. Once it want to know one another, one of those stand with one another. What social media? Because the same social media people them will say, Annie run him away. At the same social media, we come back and tell you to take him back. So do what please you. Follow your heart. Follow your heart, girl. Have a nice evening, Kaya. Good girl from outer Otrios. Sentan. Bless up yourself to all the Sentan massive.
Alright, enough love, enough love. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.
That's it for other.